Hi friends, welcome to Get Droid Tips YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to save the profile picture of someone in Discord. We all know that Discord is a free group chatting platform that was originally built for gamers. It is used by millions of people around the world for gaming and other communities. Every user on Discord has a profile picture that is known as an avatar. Discord does not allow any users to download their users or community profile picture. To bypass this, we will show you an easy method to save or view the profile picture of any user on the Discord app. First of all, make sure to download the Simple Allow Copy extension on your Chrome or Mozilla browser. Log into your Discord app. As we stated earlier, make sure to download the Simple Allow Copy extension, which will allow you to download the profile pic of your friends. Now choose any profile you want to download their profile picture. Tap on any picture and click on the View Profile option to expand the profile menu. Now to enable the Inspect Element option on your Discord, enable the Simple Allow Copy extension on your Chrome or Mozilla. Now right-click on your browser and tap on Inspect Element tool. In the HTML code, expand the class value to find the URL of the image. Copy the URL of the image or open it in a new window of the browser. You can also increase the size by doubling the value in the URL. The default value will be 128, you can change it to 256, 512, and 1028 to increase the size. Note, the quality depends on the image uploaded for a profile picture. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more videos.